Hello, what is up everybody, RF the Sound here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Mazda 787B, and this is from Retro Races, number 4 out of 10, and number 28 from 250, so let's go ahead and open this one up. So here it is, the Mazda 787B. And you might already seen me review this, obviously the blue version. I don't remember, was it 5 months ago, I don't know, in blue. And now it is in this sort of like red, this red color right here, which honestly looks pretty okay, to be honest. Now it's typically the same thing as the blue, just that they've swapped the color with red, which is I would say not too bad, honestly, which is okay, I guess. I mean, what can I say? Mattel's just releasing the same thing, just that in different colors, which will impress people as well, like collectors, obviously. Now, I did actually mention last time, I believe, in the review of the blue 787B, where I actually said that this car will be releasing in red. Now, when I've heard that, I actually made a livery of this car in a game. Obviously, you might already know it, Gran Turismo 7. I made a livery of this car in Gran Turismo 7. It looked great and very nice. I actually did the blue one first, and then I recycled the livery and make it red. And I was about to do the black and gold one as well, until I had noticed that it was a, what was it, Kroger exclusive, I believe, or is it like the dollar store exclusive? I'm not sure, but yeah, it is an exclusive. And well, at least we have the red one. The black one's gonna be hard to find, obviously, but yeah, let's take a look at this car right here. So here it is, the Mazda 787B, and as you can tell, you have this gorgeous red color right here, which honestly looks great. You have mixed match wheels, which are 5-spoke gray rims at the back, and white disc rims at the front, which is not too bad. So you have Goodyear right here in white at next to the wheel arch. You have this like yellow diagonal stripe, and the racing number 78, obviously 787B. Just that they used 78, which is nice. And Hotwheels right there at the bottom, which is nice. And let's move on to the front. Same thing with the blue one. You have like these printed headlights right here in black and white, obviously. It says Goodyear on both sides. Number 78 right here again. A bigger yellow stripe going to the front. And it says Mazda right there, and Mazda 787B right there. Quite small, but I think you can kind of see it. So regular tint for the windshield. You have this tiny windshield wiper right there, and I believe that's a gray interior, which is quite nice. Here is the other side, if you are wondering. Quite similar to the other side, not much of a difference. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it says Goodyear right here as well at the spoiler, and for the side of the spoiler it says Mazda right there. Sadly, this yellow stripe does not go towards the back of the car, which would be nice, I guess. So no rear light details or anything. You have a big rear diffuser at the back as well. So moving on to the base, you have a big black base. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this actually has a front splitter, if you're wondering. So, Mazda 787B 2022 Mattel and made in Malaysia. I don't know this is the how manyth time did it release? Is it the second or third time? Or fourth time? I'm not sure. Because I'm not sure would it count if I include Car Culture or not. Because if it includes Car Culture, that means this would be the 5th or 6th time. I mean, like, Car Culture has like 3 or 4 versions of it, and then mainline there's like 3, I guess, including the Kroger version. I guess Kroger, I'm not sure. But yeah, overall, nice 3 color, not gonna lie. Whether you take blue or red, both look great. I would say this is not typically red, like pure red. I would say it's more to reddish orange. I would kind of say it. It's not typically just regular like bright red or anything. It's like red with a touch of orange, which is quite nice and pretty good, to be honest. It's like not too bad, I would say. And then the black version has like black paint job with, I believe, orange stripe. I'm not sure, but yeah, the red and blue seems quite similar. Not much difference, just that the color has a difference, obviously. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Mazda 787B in this reddish orange. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.